Ja, jeg kommer her til Oxford University for at tage en jobsamtale med Nalan Shabab. Jeg skal være assistent for hende, ja. Så skal jeg lave hendes regnskaber og sådan noget der. Men ja, jeg har taget min Oxford skjorte på, så noget fint, hurtigt. Og så skal vi bare se, hvordan det går. Måske lave lidt para til mine 10 børn, du ved, hurtigt. Men ellers, ja, lad os smutte derhen.
Yeah, please come in.
Yeah, hello.
Hello.
Yeah, hi. My name is Yasin Demirhasan.
Hello, my name is Lage Helberg. Well, Yasin, tell me a little bit about yourself.
Okay, my name is Yasin. I live in Denmark, but I come from Turkey. I have 9 children and my wife is pregnant with the 10th.
So, what qualifies you to this job?
I'm happy. I love kids. I have worked in a kindergarten. It's make a qualification to work as your assistant.
I can see that. So, what are your education then?
At first I went to Lindevangsskolen and then I took Niels Brock. And after Niels Brock I took Copenhagen Business School. After that I worked in a kindergarten and now I'm here.
So, you don't really have the education to be my assistant?
I help my wife a lot. We have 9 children and soon 10.
But this job is about, you have to work from 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. and you can have the maternity leave. So that's a problem.
Right, but I have to be at home at 5 p.m. And I need 3 weeks of maternity.
So I just said that you can't have the maternity leave. That's the women who have the maternity leave. And why do you think I don't have a child? It's not working with my job, So
But in Denmark I can.
yes, but in Denmark this is the UK and it's not normal to have maternity leave here. So you will need to accept that that's the part of the job that you can't have it.
Please, I need money to my kids. I have 9 of them, soon 10.
But I will say thank you very much for today. I think we will call you back. So safe ride back to Denmark. Bye bye. Oh my goodness.
Det gik ikke så godt til den der Shabab. Hun siger, jeg ikke må få det der barsel og sådan noget der, så jeg siger til hende, nej, kan jeg ikke. Så jeg er nødt til at finde et nyt job her i England for de der penge, du ved. Så lad os gå videre.
Jeg kan godt lide ham i virkeligheden. God nok, friends.